Greetings from Nabo Capital. My name is Masin Njoroge Mwangela, the Chief Customer Experience Officer at Nabo, and I would like to welcome you to our Treasury Solution / Cash Management series, where we want to delve into optimizing cash flows and how your company can generate a passive income line. We've looked at significant blue chip companies here in Kenya and realized that a lot of them only generate less than 1% of investment income. What if we were able to change that? In this series, we're going to be speaking about key insights on how you can do it, why does it matter, and we'll bring to you our CEO, our Chief Investment Officer, that's both Pius and Damitha, and also some client testimonials. So log in and we look forward to learning and relearning with you. Thank you. And thank you for sharing the genesis and Nabo's very unique story. Of course, we all know Nabo's ethos, or a lot of us know Nabo's ethos as a goal-based investment house. And this has been associated with personal goals. So I love that share with regards to even institutions have goals. And with such a solution or any other solution, Nabo is able to help an institution to achieve its objectives. So this large client was able to not only pay the operating expenses, they're also able to pay their dividends to their shareholders. Yes. So those were two solutions in one.
Yes.
Amazing. Yes. Okay, let's pack that. We've all understood the benefits of a treasury solution and how it can be done. Pius, as a charter holder, when I come to you as I'm an NGO, right? I'm receiving all my funding for my projects, or I'm an institution, I'm receiving a payout for a particular project, a development project, and I come to you and I have projections of when I'm going to be disbursing the cash flows. So either Q1, I'm disbursing 20%, 30%. I've always been comfortable with my money sitting with a bank. That's all I know. Why should I come to Nabo Capital, and what is the starting point? How do I unlock the value of this amazing thing you've called investment income and a treasury solution? How do I unlock the value?
Yeah. When you put our minds in an institution, you have the executive team that reports to the board, and they have a strategy to execute, and their core business is, if it's an NGO, is to be impactful in this area or that. In a manufacturing setup, is to produce and deliver certain goods that are much needed in the society. Then cash flow management becomes one of the things that is almost like an afterthought, or it is done with many other distractions.
Correct. It's not their core business.
It is not really the core business.
Correct.
There is a finance team. But finance team are not trained to invest. They're not trained to generate investment income line. We are trained to generate investment income line. When we generate a healthy dose of investment income line, guess what we do? We make the entire management team shine. So our job is to make the executive team to shine in front of their board and their shareholders. Including the finance team.
Including the finance team. Yes.
That, first of all, we accept is our positioning, our expertise, and our name, we don't want our name to appear anywhere. We were managing a portfolio for one of the leading insurance companies in this country. For the time we were doing that, we did for about 28 months, and they set up their own in-house business. And all the executive team were very concerned. Because during the time we were managing these portfolios for them, they were getting healthy bonuses.
Oh, I see. Wow. Bonuses were coming outside. This is like a side hustle for them.
Yes. So we sorted out the shareholder.
Yeah.
We sorted out the company, By sorting out the company, we sorted out the interest of the shareholder, and also we sorted out the interest of the staff.
Amazing. Amazing.
By introducing
yes.
a healthy dose of investment income line. So, and above all, the management looked good in front of the shareholder.
That's really good. Because it is not their core business, it's not in their core business, but this healthy dose of investment income was so impactful.
Yes.
It not only impacted the shareholder,
yes,
it also impacted the business and the staff.
And the staff. And guess what? We also took the responsibility from management to report to the board every quarter.
Oh, wow.
So we'd go to the board
and
report. You gave us a mandate.
Yes.
Through your management team.
Yes.
We are on course to deliver what you asked us to deliver. So again, more pressure off the shoulders of the management team.
Correct.
So the management team, so I remember this particular insurance company, their offerings just became one of the best offerings in the market.
Because they've partnered.
Their distribution team had something to talk about to their customers. And guess what? Their premiums went up.
Wow. And was this because you're able to substitute the underwriting income with an investment income? Because insurance is very competitive.
And here I'm just giving insurance as a proxy.
Yes.
Every business needs a healthy dose of investment income line.
If
your business, whether manufacturing, whatever it is, investment like ourselves, you don't have an investment income line, you have not yet optimized your business.
Yeah.
And that's why I started with that example.
Correct.
First of all, our treasury cash management in-house was how can we pay our salaries even when we don't have any revenues from a customer.
How can you continue to be operational? Yeah.
And the next question after paying salaries, how can we keep all our lights on?
Yeah.
Even when we have a dire situation like the one we had
during COVID.
During COVID.
Yeah.
How can we keep our best staff in the most challenging times? So those are even other benefits of just having a healthy dose of investment income.
Correct.
The other thing is, so the difference between us and a bank does not come to report to your board on how they have helped you.
It's true.
We come and report to your board on how we have helped you.
Yeah.
Secondly, our job is to give you the best rate possible, the best return possible. A bank, its job is to make the most money out of your money possible.
True.
And I'm saying controversial things here.
You're rocking the boat.
The business of a bank is to optimize the spread between their cost of deposit and their lending rate.
Yes.
Our job, according to capital markets regulations framework, is to give the best return possible to our customers.
Meaning the upside belongs to the customer.
The upside belongs to our customer. Our fee remains the same.
Yeah.
If we make 100%, you steal. And by the way, that's the other thing.
Yes.
We also pay ourselves.
Well at it.
Well at it, we also pay ourselves because we generate the return.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we pay ourselves and we give you everything
the balance.
else. The balance.
Amazing. So maybe for those who don't understand, we are currently in a high interest rate environment.
Yes.
What will that mean for a business from a return perspective? If I'm getting a 12% deposit rate at my local bank, how much more will you be able to generate for me? I'm the CEO of a company. I don't need to wake up. I have collections to do. I have a project to manage. I have many other things, including reporting. What kind of returns, or how would you align the Treasury solution to generate a higher return for my manufacturing or insurance business? Yeah.
There are two ways of activating the Treasury solution to any company. you either invest in a money market fund,
Okay.
which is equivalent to a bank account, but safer than a bank account, and
Okay.
offers a higher return than a bank account.
Okay. Let's take it step by step. So first one is money market.
Money market fund.
Okay.
So if you look at the money market fund yield today, our money market fund yield today,
Yes.
this week it has been around 16.7%.
Correct.
You put money
Yeah.
in our money market fund,
Yeah.
as long as you know the account number, you do not have to call anyone to negotiate a rate.
Correct.
But if I put if a billion shilling lands in a bank,
Yes.
I've just done a deal.
Yes.
A billion shilling lands in a bank. No one in the bank will call me
Yeah.
to say, can I give you a better rate?
Yeah.
They will keep quiet
Yes.
as much as they can
Yes. True.
and hope that you forget it for 2 days,
Yes.
because it goes straight to their bottom line.
Yeah.
But in a money market fund, the moment the money is sighted,
Yeah.
it starts earning without you having to ask. So that's one huge advantage. Secondly, as a corporate, when we invest in a bank, when we put our money in we deposit in a bank,
Yes.
it means we only put money in one bank.
Correct.
And if you really are interested in diversifying,
Yeah.
you've got to call so many banks to try and
Yeah.
that act of negotiating is
Yeah.
tiring.
It is.
It takes critical executive time
Yeah.
that can be used to do better
Yeah.
things to
Yeah.
execute a strategy.
Yeah. It takes you from your core function.
It takes you from your core function.
Yeah.
There are 43 banks or so.
Yeah.
How many banks can I call
Yes.
to find which offers the best rate?
Correct.
There is no clear market.
Yes.
But if you put money in a money market fund, automatically you are diversified with one investment. Because there are CMA regulations
Yeah.
that require us to maintain certain investment guidelines
Yeah.
that say you cannot put money in one investment security or firm or issuer
Correct.
beyond a certain limit.
Correct.
So even if a bank goes under, like
Yes.
Chase Bank went under,
Correct.
you can never lose 100% of your money.
Yes.
But if you had money in a bank,
Yeah.
it is gone. And that's why I always say, investing in a money market fund
Yeah.
is safer
Then a bank account.
any day.
It's true. You know, I had a live testimonial. I was at a conference and a local business owner who had employed over 150 employees just before Chase Bank went down shared that they went to bed, they woke up, they could not access their corporate account, could not access their personal account. So they moved from a business that was paying salary to one where they're just managing, trying to ask people who owe the money, please pay us so that we can pay our salary. So I agree, money market gives you the diversification factor that
Instant diversification.
Instant diversification. Yeah.
Secondly,
Yes.
I'm not sure if it's secondly or thirdly.
Secondly.
When you put money directly in a bank,
Yeah.
it ceases to be your money, it becomes the bank money. And that's why there is no institution that can go to a bank and ask the bank, what did you do with my money? As long as the bank tells you you'll get 6%, 8%,
Yeah.
end of your business, this money enters into their balance sheet. And that's why banks have huge balance sheets.
Correct.
Because it's not just their money, it is also the
Yes.
customer's money.
It's all mixed up.
It's all mixed up.
Yeah.
So so the opposite side of it is the fund management.
Yeah.
If you put money in a money market fund,
Yeah.
you still earn a higher rate than the bank,
Yes.
but your money does not go to Nabo Capital,
Yeah.
it goes to a custodial account.
It goes to a custodial account.
And the custodial account
Yeah.
is in the name of the customers. So if a bank goes under today,
Correct.
and Nabo Capital goes under today, our customers would still have all their money because their money is separate, but the customers' money in the bank would have to go through a very long process because there is no distinguishing customers' money and the bank's money. And that's why it is so painful when a bank goes under. It affects everyone in the society.
Correct.
But money market fund, did you know Chase Bank had a custodial account? Had custodial services. And did you know that all the monies that were in Chase custody were never interfered with?
Are you serious?
Everybody got their money.
Under custody?
100%.
Under Chase custody?
Under Chase custody. Because as long as something is in custody, it is distinct from the operator of the business. It is held on behalf. I hope this has been an amazing conversation, life-changing conversation to be precise. And I hope that this message gets to as many CEOs, CFOs, general managers, and business leaders out there. And for me, there is only one challenge that I want to throw to all of you who are listening my voice. How much investment income do you have amongst your revenues? What is the percentage of investment income contribution to your revenues? And I would say this, every business needs an investment income line. So I want to say, if you feel this speaks to you, please reach out to us at Nabo Capital. We will be more than happy to sit down with you to explore all the options, all scenarios, and come up with a plan of how we can optimize your investment income line. We can introduce an investment income line to be one of the contributors to your revenues and insulate your business from the turbulent times that we live in. Thank you very much for listening to me. I look forward to engaging you further after this conversation. Thank you, and God bless all of you.